Alpha.
What's common between these three extraordinary wildlife photographers besides their love for the wild? Sony Alpha cameras and G-Master lenses. The jungle is full of action. Life here is fast and fleeting in nature. Capturing special moments needs a camera that's lightning quick. Sony Alpha cameras ensure you get pretty much everything you need and more. Spotting animals in the jungle might take hours, and losing them just a moment. But with Sony's Animal Eye autofocus, you never lose the eyes of animals, even in difficult light conditions. The Alpha 7R4 shoots in 61 megapixels, which lets you zoom in and crop without compromising on clarity. And when it comes to capturing fast action, Alpha 9 Mark II does the job. It's undoubtedly the fastest camera in the world. Professionals brave the elements as they wait for their special moments. They need cameras that are as tough. And when nature smiles on you, it greets you with hundreds of beautiful creatures, all at once. The advanced AI-based real-time tracker covers almost the full frame, which enables you to capture each of them as sharp as the other. The real fun is when you can catch a distant subject as clearly as the one next to you. The Alpha 6600 is ideal to achieve that brilliantly. Sony G-Master lenses give you the perfect shot, even in low-light conditions. And with its dual SD card slots, you never have to worry about space. Sony Alpha range of cameras is made for the wild. They are lightweight, tough, and have a long battery life that keeps up with your long hours in the jungle. In short, it loves the animals as much as you do. Sony Alpha cameras with G-Master lenses, the only way to capture wildlife. The jungle is full of action. Life here is fast and fleeting in nature. Capturing special moments needs a camera that's lightning quick. Sony Alpha cameras ensure you get pretty much everything you need and more. Spotting animals in the